Hi everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to find the HCF of any numbers easily. So we can move on to the video. So before going to the video we must know what is actually HCF. HCF is known as the highest common factor. And for example, if we want to find the HCF of 24, we must know the factors of 24. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. And among these numbers, 12 is the highest common factor possible for 24. So 12 would be the HCF of 24, and it is the meaning of HCF. So we can find the HCF of other numbers. If we want to find the HCF of 120 and 160, we must do the prime factorization method. So by doing the prime factorization method, you first want to write the number and divide it by its multiple. So 2 is the multiple of 120. When dividing it, we would get 60. And then once more you want to divide it with 2, and 30 would be divisible by either 2 and 3. I am here taking 3. So when we take 3, it would get 10, and 10 is divisible by 2, and when dividing 10 by 2 we would get 5. This is the prime factorization method of 120, and we can move on to 160. 160 when divided by 2 would give 80, and when 80 is divided by 2 again, we would get 40. 40 when divided by 2 we would get 20, and when 20 is divided by 2 we would get 10, and 10 is divided by 2 we would get 5. Because we will stop the prime factorization with 5 because 5 is a prime number, and we should take common in every steps. So there are two 2's, so when we take 2 from it, we must take only 1 2 from it. And there are 2 5's in it, so we should take 1 5. And there are 2 2's in it, and we would take 1 2. And there are 2 2's in it, and we would take 1 2. And by taking this, we are just multiplying the whole common digits, common factors. So when we add it 2 and then 2 and then 2, when we multiply it and then 5, we would get 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 5 40, and it would be the HCF. Another question is to find the HCF of 140 and 200. And we can also do the prime factorization method. 140 when divided by 2 would give 70. 70 when divided by 2 would give 35. 35 when divided by 5 we would get 7. 7 is a prime number, that's why we are stopping there. And next 200. 200 when divided by 2 would give 100. 100 when divided by 2 would give 50. 50 when further divided by 2 would give 25, and 25 can be divided by 5. And 5 is the last answer because it's a prime number. And we would take common in every single step. So 5 is common here, so we would take 5. 2 is common here, we would take 2, and 2 is common here also, we would take 2. So when multiplying each, we would get 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 4, and 4 into 5 is equal to 20. And it would be the HCF. Another method that's applicable to every numbers to find HCF is that we can take the difference of two numbers, and the factor of that number would definitely be the HCF. For example, if you take the difference between 160 and 120, the difference would be 40. So the answer would either be 40 or any of the multiples of any of the factors of 40. So here the HCF is 40. When considering the difference here, when we take the difference, 600 minus 140 would be 60. And when we look at that, 1 into 60 is equal to 60, 2 into 30 is equal to 60, and 3 into 20 is equal to 60, and HCF is the difference of the difference of the multiple. It's 60, and the factor of that 60, 20. So the work for you is to find the HCF of 240 and 300. If you like this video, please share it. Thank you.